we have this Cullinan here. Something special about this Cullinan. Actually, the client. This is one of his first cars that he was able to get. So this Cullinan is his first upgrade modification. We did some nice 24-inch wheels, shiny black wheels. Put some lowering links on this thing. Car is super clean, and you guys can see the interior. Beautiful combination, white and blue, aqua or blue. I don't know what this is, but yeah, it's really nice. It's a little bit darker blue. So as of right now, this is it for this car. We're just gonna leave it this way. Looks really good. He's gonna enjoy it, and he's gonna have many more toys for us to modify and have a good time with. And this is only his first car, and he's just getting started. Which is the truth. Straight. We're trying to get out of the parking lot. There's this crazy person that's on drugs, and this is nuts. We're trying to leave the parking lot, and this is what happened. Thank God the cops were here, because this guy was out of control. He was gonna probably hit the car.
You got a little close to it.
Yeah. That was the fastest handcuff I've ever seen. It was quick.
Alright, we are standing in front of this really badass URUS Performante. As you can see, the color. Pretty cool to see all these Performantes coming through with different colors. We are fixing this really crazy apple green looking URUS Performante. We have a Viola Parsify purple URUS Performante, and now we have this olive green one, which if you guys are long-time RDV followers, before Lamborghini offered this color, which is new, we did a wrap with Inositech that was exactly this color. Did on a McLaren 720, we did on a Aventador, wide-body Aventador, and now as you can see, we have a brand new Lamborghini factory painted in that color. The story with this car is unfortunately it was hit from the side, so it's got some significant damage throughout. It's missing a door. As you can see, the door was destroyed. A lot of damage here, front door. So we're gonna be fixing this through insurance and keeping it the same color. This customer might do a wide body kit on top of this, which would be truly epic because this color, wide body, crazy. And then one of my customers is also getting a Rivolto in this color theme. So this color with orange interior Rivolto, that's gonna be crazy. So yeah, fixing this. We're fixing 3 URUS Performantes currently, so pretty crazy to see that we're able to do all this stuff and fix all these cars in a timely manner.
Beautiful SL55 here, you guys. This is time for a wide body kit for this car. We're gonna do a wide body kit. We're looking for options, and it's gonna be really nice. Wide body, wheels, make this thing a monster. So we're going over ideas now, and go from there. Pretty good.
Let's hear it.
A nice car. Very nice, powerful. Doesn't have 45,000 things regarding technology and electrical, which makes complication much easier. So it's good. I love it. Power looks good. We're gonna wide body. It's gonna even look better. So.
You cut your hair, huh?
Huh?
You cut your hair?
Yeah.
You shaved?
I went to
You shaved right here.
David's barber shop.
Let me see. Looks good.
Eso es todo, papá. Chingón, va.
Yeah, looks good.
Sup, people, salmitos, todos ahí. Saludos desde aquí de este lugar chingón. Have a nice day, have a nice day, have a nice day. Órale, vatos. Déjame trabajar.
Gone? Done. Alright, you guys, grab this Porsche. Too much noise. Alright, we have this Porsche Macan here. This car came in with the rear suspension very, very high and the front suspension slammed. So we're gonna see what's going on with it. Maybe a couple of bad shocks, maybe compressors, you know, suspension compressors not working well. So we're trying to figure it out right now. We should have an answer in a few hours. As soon as Javier make it the break at Salazar, give us an answer.
Where'd he go?
Probably it's lunchtime.
A lovely visitor, a GT4 Lusso that we did with a full Novitec kit, wheels, lowering, full exhaust, all that stuff. Great to see it. I haven't seen that car for maybe a year. Really cool to see that funky hatchback looking Ferrari, obviously. But I think he's gonna sell it because he has a huge, vast Ferrari collection. Look him up. It's called Us Against Them on Instagram. The Ferrari collection is growing. It's gonna be insane. But yeah, check it out.
Get this guy. Let him talk about it. Oh, Jesus Christ. All right, you guys. We're in a little test drive. It's hot as hell here. This car doesn't have any AC? No. There's no technology in this car.
Some cars, I don't know how to turn it on.
Yeah, I think you have the heater on. That's why.
Can't afford one of these.
All right, so we have we're in a Range Rover. We just performed a brake job on this car. Fronts are very good. We did the rears. Rears are brand new now. On a quick test drive, Daniel's driving. Make sure we have no noise, no lights, and it's broken in. We're gonna test drive it really quick, head back to the shop. Customers on the way to pick it up, and the day continues, you guys. Again, slippers on in the middle of this, what, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock? He's 100% not hungry, that's for sure. She's got slippers on with no sun. I don't know what the, how does somebody, what do people do to not be at work at this time? Unbelievable. Ow, my back. Oh, I do want to talk about one thing though, you guys. For all you basketball fans out there, NBA fans, a lot of you guys like basketball, I know. Very, very sad moment in the NBA. I don't know if you guys know, well, our childhood, it's a very good basketball player, Dikembe Mutombo. I don't know if you guys remember. Obviously, you guys should know who that is. Anyway, rest in peace. A big loss for the league. Sucks. Not only a great basketball player, but a great person. So yeah, rest in peace, Dikembe. We'll miss you. Thirsty.